And Fahai continued to insist, and he gave Xu Xian a flask of Rialga wine and said, "On the 5th day of the 5th month, demons lose their strength. If you give her this wine and she's human, nothing will happen. But if she's not, you'll see the truth." Xu Xian again dismissed it, but over time, curiosity overtook him. And when the festival day, the 5th day of the 5th month, arrived, he decided to just try, just to know the truth. He really did it just to not be living in this doubt about his wife. He didn't really believe that she was anything other than his beautiful wife. But he poured a small cup and handed it to Bai Suzhen. She took it and she raised it to her lips and she drank. Within moments, she went pale. Her body began to shake and she fled to the bedroom, collapsing behind the curtain. Xu Xian rushed into the room, and as he entered, he found not his wife, but a massive white snake, coiled and trembling. Her eyes were wide with sorrow. He collapsed, dead with shock. Bai Suzhen came to him back as a human, held his body and sobbed and sobbed and sobbed. And then she rose. She knew she had to act quickly. There was one hope, a sacred herb hidden in the peaks of the nearby mountains. It was said to restore life, but it was guarded by the old man of the South Pole. Bai Suzhen soared on a cloud towards the mountains. She crossed silver bridges and stone arches until she reached a gateway marked beyond mortals. 2 disciples stood guard. She disguised herself as a monk. "I have come to invite the old man to a gathering of the gods," she said. While they turned to the old man to deliver the message, Bai Suzhen slipped into the garden and plucked the herb. The disciples returned and they chased her. She coughed up a glowing pearl and she flung it at one of them. But as the second one closed in, she tucked the herb beneath her tongue, hoping to protect it. But that magic forced them both into their true forms, a gleaming white snake and a great crane. The crane gripped her in its beak, but then the old man appeared. He came with such presence, such power, that they immediately stopped. And he asked, "Why would an immortal steal my herb?" Bai Suzhen answered, "Because the man I love is dead. Even if he hates me now, even if he rejects me now, he's seen my true form, I cannot bear to let him go."